Many of us who are about to create a Movie Maker project already have photos and video footage stored on our computer, maybe on the hard drive, for example. Well, we can bring that into our Movie Maker project, and that's what we're going to do right now with a brand new project underway. You'll notice over in the storyboard pane here on the right-hand side a link that says click here to browse for videos and photos. That only appears there so long as there are no clips already on the storyboard. Once a clip is on the storyboard, you won't see this message, and you'll have to go up to Add Videos and Photos from the Add group with the Home tab selected up here on the ribbon. Either of these will do the exact same thing. It'll allow you to go browsing your computer for actual media. Now in this case, we're going to go to the Assets folder of the Chapter 2 folder of the exercise files, where we do find some photos, some JPEG photos, as well as some Windows Media Video files. So we've got all of these that can be added. If you want to add one, just simply select it like Beach 78 and click Open. Notice it gets added to the storyboard. We see a preview here, and certain defaults are applied. For example, this is going to appear in our movie for 7 seconds. That's the default setting, and of course we can change that. Notice also the option to browse for videos and photos disappears from the storyboard pane, and now if we want more, we have to go up to the ribbon and click Add Videos and Photos up here. Takes us right back to where we left off. Let's go get the other photo, Beach 79, and let's get all of these video clips as well. So to select everything but the first photo, we'll click the second photo. Scroll down to the last video clip, hold down the Shift key and click to select everything in between. And once we've got them selected, click Open. Now they will all be added in the order they appeared, so we have probably some rearranging to do at this point. We have our clips, but they're probably not in the right order unless you took pictures and video in the exact right order that you need them. So over here on the storyboard pane, for example, Beach 79, the second photo we brought in, we really want that at the end. So we're going to click once just to select that one clip, and we're going to click and drag it down now to the very end. Notice the vertical bar that appears in between clips as we move around. Once you see that vertical bar after the last clip, just release, and you've rearranged the photo. Now it's time to put our video clips in order. And it looks like the story here is getting ready to go surfing and then actually surfing. So let's start with, how about arriving at the ocean side here, surfing 11. We'll click and drag that up so it appears after our photo and release. Notice as you hover over these clips, you get to see some information about them. When you click a video clip or a photo, you see a preview of the very first frame, and at any time you can click the play button to see if that's the right clip. And if it is, perfect, it's in the right spot. All right, next, you might want to get the surfboard ready. So this waxing clip here, we'll just move up after that second clip. And then it's getting dressed. So let's take surfing 2 as we hover over this and move it after the waxing scene. We have some more equipment here, surfing 8. We'll move it up in between. There we go. You can see how everything's getting rearranged. Now it's ready to run out into the ocean, surfing 9. We'll move it after that last clip that we just rearranged. And now here we go to surfing 12. So we'll move it after our last clip. And it looks like the rest are actually surfing, except for this one, surfing 10. If we click it and click play, there's no real surfing going on there, so that might be good to actually move up at the beginning here after our first photo. So we'll just move that up. It becomes the second clip. And now we're into the ocean and surfing, so paddling out. That would come next. We'll move it after the picture, the scene on the rocks. And now we have some actual surfing footage. Let's move 7. Just after that last one, and it looks like we're ready. At any time now, you can move back to the first clip and click play to just preview the whole thing. You'll see the accumulated time appear here just below the preview of your video. And that's going to take into consideration that photos automatically get 7 seconds, and then your video clips, how they already have a certain amount of time applied to them. So we got everything in order. The first step is completed. It's time to save our project. So we'll go up to the Save button, and you can save it wherever you like. I'm going to the desktop here. Let's call this one Surfing USA. There we go. And click Save. So when you already have your video footage and your photos ready to go, it's a simple matter in Movie Maker of browsing to the correct location, the correct folder, and bringing them in and then sorting them so that they're in the right order.